Donc notre élevage de taureaux Camargue est basé ici depuis 1950 et on a vu beaucoup d'effets de l'avancée de la mer et de la salinité des sols. Comme les sols sont salés, l'herbe pousse moins et donc on perd de la qualité dans nos pâturages et on doit donner beaucoup plus de foin. Financièrement aussi c'est plus difficile. La mer avance aussi, le trait de côte avance et elle nous fait en plus de ça des rats de marée où elle nous laisse bien du sel pendant l'hiver, ce qui fait qu'on sait très bien qu'au printemps qui suit, on aura encore moins d'herbe.
We can say that at the end of the 21st century, the shoreline will be present on this position, which is several hundred meters behind the shoreline position today. If we're looking on the climatic change, what we know is that in this area, the sea level is going to moving up. Well, we don't know exactly, but more or less 1 meter for the end of this century. And we know that the storms probably are not going to be stronger. But the thing is that if you increase the sea level, even if the storms have the same intensity, of the same frequency, if you increase the sea level, of course, you increase the elevation of the waves. And if today the waves during a large storm are close to more or less 2 meters of elevation, at the end of the century they will be around 3 meters. So it means that the medium storms today are going to be strongest at the end of this century, and this one are going to be very similar than the extreme waves that we have today. So probably there is an increase of erosion because of the sea level rise.
For the flamingos, it doesn't change much. For the flamingos are nomadic birds. They move at any time of the year. So they go all around the Mediterranean Sea. So we have flamingos here all the time, any year. Here in the park we have more in winter for the mating dances, but it doesn't change much for the flamingos, the global warming.
Eh bien, nous, on peut constater que les plages ont beaucoup diminué depuis des décennies, depuis 3 ou 4 décennies, les plages ont diminué, les pierres arrivent, le sable diminue. On a par exemple quelques jours, 2-3 jours dans l'année, où il y a la neige, alors qu'on ne la voyait jamais avant.